Please make sure that all receptacles are stored
Yeah,
properly.
my mom.
Probably SeaWorld resolution.
She's scared to ride beach rescue race, so we'll see. She can't remember. She rode this one.
It's
a good thing about memory loss. Who are you?
Who am I? Yeah, same thing I asked when I woke up this morning. They didn't push mine down. Like I figured they'd push it down more, but like I got a lot of space.
1,300 feet of track.
Way higher than I thought. Oh shit.
Hey, it's a kiddie coaster. What's your That's it. We're done.
That was better than that one when we were in Six Flags Dallas where it like jostled you. So it wasn't so much the coaster, it was like beating you against the
Runaway
seat.
Mine Train?
Yeah.
I know, I like how moving.
It was like abusing you in the seat.
That one doesn't do that.
Thank you for your beach rescue race. Remember, your today here, SeaWorld San Antonio.